Hi, sirs. How does it feel to be part of an EV rally that's saluting the Air Force, the armed forces, and also giving the message of sustainability to the nation?
Yeah, you feel really honored, I would say, that you thought of including us, the Air Force, the Defense Forces. You thought to give so much of value to the operations which we carried out recently. And along with that, the EV car, which was provided to us, it also sent a message of saving the environment, reducing the pollution, and promoting the indigenization, Atmanirbharta, what we call.
Yeah, it's a great feeling that you guys are connecting with us in the Shaurya Bharat EV rally, and the message is very clear to the nation that you guys are with the military and the car is extremely good. The EV is a great way to reduce the carbon footprint and promote the environment sustainability, and I think that's the future for the country.
Yeah, thank you so much for that answer. So, I wanted to ask you, what was going through your mind when you were signing up for the rally in terms of, charging your vehicle?
Okay, initially, when we started, or rather, the planning time, the planning process itself, then the range also was bothering us. How many kilometers will we be able to travel without charging it? But frankly telling you, once we started and practically when we were on the road, we realized that the batteries are quite powerful and the capacity is much better, which I have seen at least. And route, we got the power stations. Battery got charged to 80 to 100% within 1.5 to 2 hours maximum, and it was very comfortable. And after that, we felt highly relaxed. Now we can think of planning future travels in EV vehicles, which are, say, medium distance drives, or if the towns and other facilities are there, we can go longer also.
What do you feel when you see a public EV charging point and, in the middle of the highway?
Frankly, if you ask me, it is very pleasing. And another bit, I feel thrilled is that we have progressed so much that we have some charging point, and that too at a location where we are not expecting. So, if more number of charging points are there, the more the people will be using these vehicles more comfortably, and it will increase the number of electric vehicles on the road.
In future also, you have to have that kind of a network where in your dash cam it is showing the petrol bunks in Google Maps. But you need to have that integration where it shows the EV charging points. Because what he said is so correct, that is playing in your back of mind. So you have to have that kind of infrastructure where you should know where I can charge my car.
Along with that, at the trick stop where the charging facility is available, we can have the number of points, number of vehicles which can be simultaneously charged. That will be ensuring that the driver who is on the wheel is highly competent.